Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about different skills, easy skills through which you can earn money and provide your services on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So today's skill is Pinterest cover. So I'm going to Fiverr to check that is there is a demand of this skill or not, and then we learn how to design a Pinterest cover. So here I search for Pinterest cover. There is only on 19 results, which means less competition and people are getting orders. So in basic he charged $5, in standard he charged $15, and premium he charged $30. And that's good because we create this in 10 minutes, sorry, hardly 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So we check that there is demand of this skill, and now I am using Canva to create a Pinterest cover because Pinterest is handy and easy to use, and it provides us facility of templates, so our a lot of time is saved. Pinterest cover photo. So guys, in case Canva do not show you the cover, so go to Google and search here Pinterest cover size, and 800 pixel by 450 pixels. So go to custom size and 800 by 450. You can do it in any case. Create new design, and let's see, this is the exact size. So here I search for furniture because I want to create a cover for furniture shop. So that's good, and there is no need, I think, to change anything, but we have to change some things like this: stylish home furniture up to 50% off, and we have to change something like this, and that's great. Yeah, it's look good. Great. So that's it. In this way we can create a Pinterest cover. You can customize this whatever thing you want. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.